look around. There are many places of importance around us. We visit holy places like temples, churches, mosques, gurudwaras, agyaris, and many other places. We see hospitals, markets, schools, colleges, banks, shopping centers, shopping malls, and multiplexes. Multiplexes are movie theaters which have many screens. Hospitals are places where there are many doctors and nurses. They look after the patients. There are factories, offices, restaurants, hotels, post offices, railway stations, airports, and seaports. We buy postage stamps, postcards, and envelopes at the post office. There are also high-rise buildings, parks, gardens, clubhouses, museums, and monuments around us. We see bicycles, mopeds, scooters, cars, buses, auto rickshaws, and trucks on the road.